Welcome! If you want to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into your Realme 5i, first step go into Settings and find in the list Convenience Tools, this one. Go into, and here first option in the list we got Wake Up Google Assistant when you press and hold Power Key. So now I've got this option activate. For unactivating, click here and we turn off this option. Let's try. So press and hold and nothing open. And when we go one more time and turn on this option and now press and hold, Wake Up Google Assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.